come to save the day.
The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is
Mighty House.
Here we go, guys, and it's the end of the year, and so we don't really have much planned. We've got a lot of stuff going for next year. So we've got a deck series coming up on how to start and actually build a deck and get through the entire thing. So we're going to go step by step on how to do the deck. And then also we're going to try something new here this year, and we're going to take cameras out and just let them run live on a job site. So we're going to be doing a bathroom, and we're just going to set the cameras up and just let them run live from 7 to 5:30 while we're working there, and see what happens. So you'll be able to watch everything going on. I would say now there might be some curse words heard. So keep it away from small children. So this bathroom has like 2-inch concrete and tile. It's an old
mud set job.
Yeah, it's an old mud set job. So we're going to be ripping that out big time. So, so how are you doing there setting up your new studio?
We're working on it slowly but surely. You know, I bought the workbench for the office.
Right.
You know, because desks are highly overrated. But you know, we'll get that rolling, get some new cameras, get all that stuff done. But I'm also looking forward to February when you know, you and I are going to hit the International Builders Show in Orlando.
Right.
And
Right.
just a walkabout.
Yes. Yeah. So we're planning on just like stopping at different booths, talking to different people, vendors, and just see what we can find. So if you're planning on going down there, you can look us up too, and we'll be there walking around the area. And when is that? That's like the first, second week.
February, I think 8th, 9th, and 10th in Orlando.
Right. Right. So we'll be down there going through that, and that should be fun too. So we got quite a bit planned for next year. Plus, we'll be doing regular stuff that we've always doing, and you can always send us a topic if you want to hear us talk about something. We're more than happy to cover that stuff too.
Yeah, if you need information, just let us know.
That's right. So I think I'm good. If there's anything else you want to say, I say we just wrap this up. And
No, just happy holidays to all of everybody that's tunes in every week, and you know, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you know when we're doing another show.
That's right.
I think it'll be good.
Yep. So we're got a lot of stuff planned next year. Have a good holiday, and we'll talk to you soon. So until then,
Keep it square and level.
there, keep it square and level.
Until next time.
We still can't figure that out.
You just were hesitating. I thought I'd run with it.
How many times do we gotta go over this?
This is why I never do unscripted. No.
Yeah.